The world of smartwatches is buzzing with anticipation for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, expected to debut in 2025. With its potential to redefine wearable technology, this smartwatch promises to address the biggest pain points of current devices while introducing game-changing features that will set a new benchmark for the industry. Let's explore what this highly awaited device might bring to the table. Tackling smartwatch challenges. Smartwatches have evolved significantly over the years, but there are still areas that leave users wanting more. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is rumored to focus on overcoming the following challenges. Battery life. No one enjoys charging their smartwatch every day. The Ultra 2 might bring advanced battery technology, enabling multi-day usage with heavy features active. Health tracking. While existing smartwatches provide basic health insights, Samsung could step up with precision tools for tracking health metrics such as heart rate, sleep, and stress. User experience. Navigation and software responsiveness could get a major upgrade, addressing the clunky interfaces seen in many competitors. Design. The Ultra 2 is expected to balance style and functionality, providing a visually appealing yet robust device for every scenario. Seamless software integration. A smartwatch is only as good as its ability to sync with other devices. Enhanced connectivity with Samsung's ecosystem could create a more cohesive experience. Rumored design upgrades. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 might feature a sleeker, more modern design with notable improvements such as larger display, a broader and edge-to-edge screen, possibly based on micro-LED technology, could deliver unmatched clarity and brightness while reducing power consumption. Refined touch sensitivity. Navigating menus and notifications could feel more intuitive with improved touch recognition. Square display design. A shift from circular to square dials may provide additional screen space for better readability and interface interaction. Premium materials. Rumors suggest titanium or sapphire glass may be incorporated, ensuring durability and a premium look. Advanced health features. The Ultra 2 is expected to redefine health monitoring in smartwatches. Samsung might introduce blood glucose monitoring. This revolutionary feature could allow users to track blood sugar levels non-invasively, a first for wearable devices. Enhanced ECG and blood pressure tracking. Upgraded sensors may deliver clinical-grade accuracy for these critical metrics. Biometric tracking. The ability to monitor vital signs like oxygen saturation and stress levels in real time could empower users to take proactive control of their health. Fitness-focused enhancements. Samsung seems to be targeting fitness enthusiasts with the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Key rumored features include built-in GPS and improved tracking, perfect for runners and athletes. This feature ensures precise tracking of outdoor activities. Advanced water resistance. Improved durability for swimmers and water sports enthusiasts is expected. Expanded storage for offline workouts. Download your favorite tracks or apps for uninterrupted sessions without carrying a phone. Software and ecosystem. Samsung is likely to push the boundaries with software innovation, introducing One UI watch improvements, a refined interface for better navigation and productivity. Deeper integration with Samsung devices. Seamlessly sync your Ultra 2 with Galaxy phones, tablets, and even smart TVs. 5G connectivity. Enhanced internet speeds could revolutionize on-the-go functionality, enabling features like live video calling directly from the wrist. Connectivity and communication. Staying connected is a key focus of smartwatches, and the Ultra 2 might deliver breakthroughs such as improved Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, smoother connectivity across devices, independent cellular functionality. LTE and 5G capabilities could ensure reliable communication even without a phone. Smart integration. Better collaboration with smart home devices using Samsung SmartThings. Battery life. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the battery. Samsung could introduce a new power-efficient processor, maximizing usage while minimizing energy drain. Faster charging capabilities, enabling quick recharges for users with busy schedules. Solar charging support. Some rumors suggest the integration of solar cells in the strap or watch face for passive charging. The future of smartwatch displays. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 could pioneer the adoption of micro-LED displays. These offer increased brightness, perfect for outdoor visibility, better energy efficiency, extending battery life significantly, sharper resolution, enhancing the overall user experience for navigation, apps, and notifications. Is a digital crown coming? Speculations also hint at the inclusion of a digital crown, a feature popularized by competing smartwatches. This could simplify navigation and provide a tactile element for those who prefer physical controls over touch interfaces. Pricing and availability. As of January 2025, Samsung hasn't officially announced the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, but industry insiders anticipate a launch alongside the Galaxy Watch 8 series later this year. Pricing is expected to align with premium offerings, possibly starting around $500 to $600, depending on configurations. The verdict: the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is shaping up to be a trailblazing device that could set a new benchmark for wearable technology. With rumored advancements in health monitoring, connectivity, design, and battery life, this smartwatch could attract both tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. If Samsung delivers on these speculations, the Ultra 2 won't just compete with other smartwatches, it could dominate the market. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2? Share your predictions in the comments below. For more in-depth coverage of wearable tech, don't forget to subscribe to Technology Review and check out our other content.